watch this this strategy right here below here. You can see it. Watch it, the way it navigate. I just want to show you something. Watch everything. You can see the way it navigate. Just watch it. This strategy can literally give you 80 to 99 rate of winning. So if you notice in this, if you notice right here, I'm actually using replay. The reason I'm using replay right now is for give you a real life example of how this strategy works. If I do not give you replay, you will not understand how it actually works. And if you also notice right here, let me move this on. If you also notice right here, I'm using 1 day time frame. The reason I'm using 1 day time frame right here is for it to give you a better view and a better length of how the chart will represent too. Right. So what is this thing you are seeing here, or what is this strategy you are seeing here? It is called RSI, which is relevant strength index. How does it work and how can you use it? Before we begin with that, by the end of this, or by the close end of this video, I'll also be telling you guys the top strategy or the technical analysis you can use to it to actually higher your ratio or your ability or the ratio for you to win, right? So before we start, I will have to delete everything right here and start with the beginning. I start with the beginning so you know how I add everything step by step. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click this place and I'm going to click on delete. I'm going to delete everything. To add this RSI right here, to add this indicator right here, all you just have to do is to come to this place right here. This place right here, analysis of, you have to click on it. Then you have to come here where you see indicator, you have to click on indicator. Then you have to come here and session RSI. Guys, the rain is falling in case you are hearing some noise. So there are a lot of RSI here right here. We have RSI divergence indicator. So we'll be using this relevant strength index, which is this first one right here. All you just have to do is to click on it. So if you click on it, automatically it will be added to it. Just go back, click here and go back. You can see it added to it, but it's not like the previous set we saw at the beginning. The reason is that we actually edited it to look a bit good and clear. So guys, if you are watching this on short, right, you know short doesn't allow, short is just 1 to 2 or 3 minute video, it doesn't allow full form video. So you can also watch this on, you can watch, if you are okay with this, if you are okay with this explanation, it's okay. But if you want to watch the full one, you can watch it with the link right here. And before you come to the full step, also click subscribe through this short, or share or like through this short too, right? So that being said, let's dive right in. So if you're already here on the log form, welcome. So how do you edit it to look good? All you just have to do first of all is to click on it, then come here to where you see this dot right here, click on this dot, then you have to scroll down to here where you see setting, click on setting. So in this setting, sometimes it might be on this here where you see input, right, and sometimes it might be on here where you see style. And don't forget to subscribe, because we'll also be making a lot of strategy too like this, and solid strategy with that can help you in your trading journey, right? So you can see everything here look a bit complicated, but I will be explaining everything for you. So what you're going to do, you have to, this, you see this rise RSI upper band, leave it like that. This RSI middle band, leave it like that. This RSI lower band, leave it like that. What you're going to be changing in this RSI upper band, just click on it. You're going to be changing this color to buy, right, to red, which is overbought. We're going to put it at red. Overbought mean when something is overbought, that means something is overbought, is going down. That's why we're putting it in red, to give us the sign. Right, just click on the red, then tap on the screen, then click on it again, then change this tiny tick line, click into the tick. We want the line to tick so that she showed a bit, she showed good, right? Then tap on any space right here. Just tap, if you click on anything, just tap on any space right here so that it will give you. And don't forget, we are doing this on trading view, and we're also using phone to do this, right? So the next step, we'll come here to where you see this rise RSI lower band. So just tap on it, put this to green, then come here, this thickness, put this thickness right here, then tap on normal open space so that the interface will be clear or will be removed, right? So the second step you're going to do right here, see this RSI right here, this place you see RSI, right? Just click on it. We'll be putting red too, then we'll be putting the tick, on this second tick, then just also tap on this. And the second step, this other one right here where you see RSI but a base MA, just click on it. We'll put it green here, click on the green, then we'll put in this tick, just as so as done. If you are done with that, all you just have to do is to tap here where you see okay, click on it. You can see that it actually looks similar to the one we actually used at first. So how does it work? How can you use this hand? How do you use it? So let me explain step by step. So first, this indicator, this red line you see here is what we call overbought, right? If the price is overbought, this red line here is what we call overbought. While this green line one you see here is what we call oversold. So overbought, if price has overbought, you have to sell, right? You have to sell. If price have overbought, you have to sell, so that, because if you buy low and the price, if you buy here where you see oversold, and you actually leave it to where you see overbought and you decided to leave it longer, once the price crash, you're going to lose a lot of money, right? You're going to lose a lot of money, right? Yeah, so you're going to lose a lot of money. If you come here, click here, you see this center one. So let's go back to that editing, right? Let's go back to that editing. Just if you want to go back to that editing, just tap on it. You have what I want to change. Tap on it. Come in. Just tap on it. Then click here. Then go back. Click on setting. Then we'll be changing this middle RSI. This middle right here. Click on it. Then we'll click on blue. Click on blue. Then we'll click on tick too. Then we'll tap here and tap OK. So yeah. So this middle line, what does this middle line mean? This middle line is a trend of the market. If the price is between, if this RSI you are seeing right here, this red one right here, you are seeing right here, right? This red RSI line you are seeing right here, that look like chart right now. This one you're seeing, this red line. If this red line is between this blue middle, right, it means that the chart is currently on trend. So you have to respect the trend. You don't have to go into the market or decided to trade at that period of that time, or decided to trade at that time. But if the market, right, if the price is above this overbought line, the way you see it right here is above this overbought line you're seeing right here, you have to sell immediately. You have to sell immediately. If it is above this line you are seeing that look like chart right here, if it is above this other red line right here, you have to sell immediately, because the price is going to crash, right? But if it is below, let's go down here where we see where it's below this green line. You can see if it is below this red line right here, is oversold, right? Which means is oversold, which means that a lot of people are going to buy back. A lot of people are going to buy back, and which make the price go up to, right? So what the simple terms of this is that buy here, right? Buy when it go this down where it's on this green, and sell where it go this up wait on this red. And if you can see recently, it actually show red more often. It show red. The reason it's showing red more often, it go up to this overbought more often, because of the volatile of the coin. You can see we are using Bitcoin because of the volatile of the coin. The coin doesn't really recently oversold, right? A lot of people are just still buying it, buying it, right? So a lot of people are still buying it. So this higher one right here is oversold, right? And this down green one is overbought. Red one oversold. This red one oversold. This green one is overbought. If it is on this red one, if it does it or this red one oversold, which means it's going down to overbought, because a lot of people have buy it and they will be abandoning it to come down to this overbought right here, and people will also buy it. Just how it work. I hope you understand. Right, in case I make some mistake in the beginning. So the next step is, what kind of indicator can you add to it to give you a really nice outcome. You'll be using support and resistance, right? You use support and resistance, or if you use support and resistance, or make sure to follow the line, and do not always be confused. Sometimes the price might hit this green light, might be bottom of this red line, and decided to also push it. So make sure always look at for the price to actually push this upward, but it take time, but it's also a patient. If it actually hit this upwards, you are good to go. And if we use 1 hour 4 hour time frame, let's click here on this time frame. Go back, click here on this time frame right here. Click here on this time frame. Let's use 4 hour to say. Click on 4 hour right here. You see right now in this 4 hour chart right here, you can see what it's giving us right here. It's actually going, you can see it's actually going up and it's going down, overbuying and overselling right here. So this 4 hour give us less, it give us in the chart, it give us less view or viewability of the chart, while on the indicator it give us more advantage in the indicator, right? So guys, hope you understand. So don't forget to like, share, turn on. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, turn on notification. I also join Telegram and of Telegram. We post this technical analysis tool for you to see, right, and the picture and the instruction too. And don't forget to follow on Twitter too, guys. So subscribe for more educational video. That I will see you in the next video. Peace out.